Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with Telegram downloaded photos, videos, or files not showing on your iPhone, then we have brought you some troubleshooting steps you can try to find and view them. So let's get started. First thing first, go to the Telegram app on your iPhone and simply go to the settings. Inside the Telegram app settings, tap on Data and Storage. Then in Data and Storage, tap on the Reset app. Then simply reset it. And now go back to the chats again to download the photos or videos you wanted to download. Then simply select the photo you want to save. Then you can see the three dots available in the top right corner. It will show you the option of save in chat and save image. If you save the image, then it will be directly saved in your photos albums. Or if you want to save it in files, then simply tap on the share icon and then scroll down till you find Save it to Files. You can see Save to Files option available there. Then simply tap on it. Now you can save it without any folders or anything. But if you want to create a folder, then simply create a new folder and type Telegram on it. And you can save your Telegram photos or videos inside the Telegram folder in your files. And go to the files and recheck it, and here you can see the same photos available. So guys, if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.